Okay, here's a short introduction to using Piktochart. Piktochart is a website you can use to create infographics. You need to get yourself to the Piktochart website, and first thing you'll need to do is to sign in. You can sign in using a Facebook or a Google account. So I've already signed in using a Facebook account, and you'll get this screen here. Now what you will notice is obviously there are some help and help guides already on Piktochart. So if you get stuck, please use those to help you as well as this video. So the first thing you'll need to do is choose a template. Now there are a variety of templates, and some of those require you to have a pro account, which obviously costs money. So you can choose a free account, and particularly I'm quite a fan of this one here, the Flow 2 theme. So I'm going to click Pick Theme, and what it will do is it will load up a template. The template's already been created and it's just filled with random text. Your job is then to click on the text and to change it. So that's fairly straightforward. So you can see if I scroll down the right here, you can see it's a very long poster. Okay, and the idea is that all of this can be customized. So if I click on the title, it says there's click to set block. I then click on the text and I can now change this to what I need to. So that's fairly straightforward. Click outside of the box and there I go, and then I can carry on and click through what I need to do next. Obviously just at the top here you've got your very similar icons like you would have in Microsoft Word. So you can bold, italics, you can change the direction of the font size, you can change the type of font. You can see up here you can group objects to stop them moving around. These buttons up the top here, which I'll move up and down a level, these allow you to layer different things. So if you want to layer a box over the top of another box, you can use these to do that. You've got your cut, copy and paste icons up in the middle of the screen just here, and you've still got your undo and redo buttons. So if you make a mistake, you can still change that. Now, over on the left hand side is where you can insert different items. So at the moment you can see we've got graphics, and below that we can select some icons to add. We can add images, or if we want to upload our own images, we can do. So this is particularly good if you want to upload a chart or a diagram that you've created in something like PowerPoint. You can create that diagram, save it as a JPEG, and then upload it using this function here. You can change the background, you can add more text, and you've also got some additional tools. Now the tools bar allows you to create charts. So if you want to create a chart without using Microsoft Excel, you can do. You can also insert videos as well. So if you want to insert something like a YouTube video, you can. So ultimately you can adjust what you need to, add what you need to, change everything. What's really important particularly with this is that you do have all of it filled out for you, and so if there's any of it that you don't use, you need to delete it. So for example, this subheader just down the bottom here, if I decided I didn't want that, then I'd need to make sure that I got rid of that. Okay, and it's fairly simple to do. You just push the delete key and you can see now it disappears. Okay, and from there you can obviously move on and carry on. Last thing to show you is you get quite a narrow thin poster to deal with. If you want to increase the width of the poster, just at the top here where it says canvas width, you can click down and select a wider width. And you can see now what it will do is it will create a white canvas on the other side, which just gives you more space to work with. Okay. Other than that, it's fairly simple. If you get any massive issues, obviously, then please contact Craig or check out the video tutorials on the website. When you're done, as you can see, you click File Save As, and you're able to